Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't her.
Welcome back, guys. I'm here with Geeta Hair once more. So let's get into today's packaging. First thing I'm seeing is a gorgeous wig, which we're about to get into. I got the Geeta drawstring bag, great for storage. I got these little heart puffs, cute. I got a information booklet. I also got a pair of HD wig caps. I got a pair of lashes. Oh, I love this white tooth comb. Yes, love that. And then lastly, I got a branded Geeta elastic headband. So let's get into the wig of the day. This is the wig of the day. I'm so excited, guys. This is Geeta's 13x4 HD lace front wig. All right, it is 30 inches long and it's 250% in density, space wear, thin wear, nothing but fullness. It's so nice and soft too. The curls look so good and juicy and defined. It's a curly texture, as you can see. I am excited for this install. Listen, it came perfectly pre-plucked. You see that? I know this is gonna give nothing but scalp. It's already pre-bleached and it is just flawlessly done. Like everything, the construction is top tier. It has this adjustable strap inside, it has adjustable straps in the back, and four combs inside the cap. It's a medium cap as well. It's a 1B hair color, so very natural looking. And I am just excited right now to go ahead and install this for you guys. We're gonna do a really nice, you know, glue install today. So I'm really excited for this wig. You know, it's spring. Yeah, it is spring, sweetheart, and we are moving forward to summertime. And I feel like you need to get your curly textures on, like, for sure. They can, you know, it's just my go-to texture for vacations, all that good stuff. So here is the perfect wig. Yeah, so you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this install right away. But so far construction is definitely a 10. Yeah, we love that. So let's go ahead and get into the installation. Like, it's giving the perfect hairline. It really is. I love that. So you know what, I'm gonna kind of just speed through this portion. Gonna cut away the excess around the ear, and I'm gonna get to, you know, applying just 2 layers of glue, only 2. So let's get to that. So after I'm all done with installation, now I'm just gonna get to laying the hairline. It's been a minute since I've done a side part, so I want to do like a side part. But please bear in mind, you could part this anywhere you wish because it is a free part wig, or lace front rather. It's nicely bleached, so you know it is giving scalp. Let's go ahead, feel free to part this anywhere and create whatever desired style you have in mind. Okay, so for today's install as well, I use the whole PS Luxe lace line. The link to these products will be in my description box, so please go ahead, check it out. I have the wax stick, the melting spray, and I used the glue as well for the installation. Only did 2 layers. So yeah, and it's a waterproof glue, no latex, none of that stuff. was really easy to work with, by the way, just so you guys know. Like, installation process was quite quick because the wig is constructed so well. Generally, when the wig is constructed better, it takes less time to install. So there is minimal shedding, and I don't mind that. It's expected. It's a lot of hair. It's 250% in density. So yeah, so look at that. Absolutely no. Let me zoom you guys out. What? I'm gonna go ahead, and I'm not gonna get this thoroughly wet because I do want to keep the nice full look. I'm just gonna barely go over the very top layer like of the hair, just to redefine whatever curl I might have lost through, you know, raking through the hair. Yeah, spray bottle with water, and I'll just start spraying the top layer. This is the finished look of the, oh my god, let me step back because I needed you guys to see this to the tip. Guys, this hair is so full, so soft, so luscious, really easy to work with, and I must say that it didn't come with a weird smell. It just smells like hair. Okay, so I love it. This, like, you guys see how full this is? I really wanted to maintain that full look. I didn't want it to necessarily have like a wet look, so that's why you see I sprayed the water the way I did. It's a 10. It's a 10. If you're looking for a very full curly texture wig, this is your wig, and the lace is immaculate. Perfect HD lace front, the perfect HD lace front. Feel free to go ahead and experiment different styles with this. As I told you, it is a 10. I love it. I love it. Yes, Geeta Hair, they definitely did the thing. It is so gorgeous. 10 out of 10 would highly recommend. As I said, there is shedding that's expected. Okay, so please don't get this wig thinking, oh, you're not about, like, it's curly texture, so you want to be sure that every time you know, once you're wearing this wig, you detangle it properly. Okay, so yeah, so I'm gonna be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box if you're interested in getting this for yourself. You can just go down below, you know, and you know where to go get it. If there are any discount code, any sale, everything will be listed down below. All the specifications will be listed down below. But yeah, that's it for today's wig look, guys. I hope you found this informative. Shout out to Geeta Hair once more for another bomb wig. They really have some really gorgeous wigs over there, so you can go ahead, check them out for that. But yeah, that's it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video.